Are you ready to brand yourself as a coach? Today, I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can brand yourself as a coach. All right, welcome back. Today, I want to share with you 3 ways that you can brand yourself as a coach. Branding is huge when it comes to selling your skills and selling your service as a service-based entrepreneur, especially if you are a coach, if you're a transformational coach and you help your clients go from A to Z or even just A to B. If you help your clients get a transformation, it's important to brand yourself. Why? Because the person who is looking to hire you, they may not know how you can help them. And then even if they do learn how you can help them, they could be comparing you with someone else. And if they come to you and ask you, well, what makes your program different or why should I work with you? You've got to have an answer. So here's how to brand yourself as a coach. Step 1 is figure out what makes you unique. There are so many reasons why you are different from the next person. There's so many reasons why you're special. There's so many reasons that you are unique, not just in your business, but you as a person. I mean, I'm sure there's other people who taught themselves how to crochet. I'm sure there's other people who got flown out to New York, hair and makeup, to record videos for a bank. I'm sure there's other people who have done a lot of the things that I've done, but nobody is me. Nobody is LaTisha. And once you get really firm in that, and I call it knowing that you are the sugar honey iced tea. Once you get really firm in that and knowing who you are, nobody can tell you anything, okay? You've got to figure out what makes you unique and stand in that confidence. Step 2 to branding yourself as a coach is to share your personal story. So we're not just sharing our brand story or our business story or why we started our business or, the whole, suit and tie type stuff. Share your personal story. What is it that makes you passionate about what you do? Why do you do what you do? For example, the reason that I host the Royal Retreat and the reason that I enjoy hosting the retreat is because I love to travel. I love to design lavish experiences. I love to elevate my vibration and be in a beautiful location. I love the sun and I love putting my toes in the sand and I love the water and the breeze and that's me. So that's a personal thing. And because that's what I enjoy, I can bring that energy to offering the Royal Retreat to attendees. If I was just like, oh yeah, that'll be cool, let's do that, nobody would want to come. But I'm like, oh, we're going to have so much fun. We're going to do a private yacht party and we're going to be doing a sunset photo shoot and we're going to be dancing on a boat. That is huge. And so when you can share your personal story, what is it that you love to do? What is it that makes you you? How did you grow up? What life experiences do you have? Your ideal clients will start to relate to you. And there are clients who come to me all the time and they're like, I remember you shared this story and that's the exact same thing that happened to me. And sharing your personal story is huge. So how do you share your personal story? Well, that takes me into step 3. So step 3 is don't be afraid to share behind the scenes. And once again, this is your personal brand as a coach. So it's not necessarily just the business behind the scenes. We know you're sitting at home typing on your computer. We know that you're doing coaching calls with clients. We know that you're getting, I'm talking about, what do you make for dinner? Where are you going? Are you traveling? Are you hanging out with friends? Are you just sitting at home in your PJs and you're enjoying that and you're talking about your fuzzy slippers? What is it that makes your behind the scenes come to life? And I don't want you to get too concerned about, well, I'm boring because all I do is stay at home all day, or, I don't really have a story to share. I don't really have a behind the scenes, but I've followed people and watched their Instagram stories and their Facebook stories where all they're doing is sharing a picture of what they're watching on Netflix. Almost everybody watches Netflix. So it's okay. You can share those behind the scenes things. Just be okay with sharing the behind the scenes of your life because your ideal clients, they want to absorb and soak up everything that you've got to offer. So be sure to share that. And the final step in how to brand yourself as a coach is be strong and confident in your opinions. That means that if there's something that bothers you or there's something that you might rant about or there's something that you're really passionate about, share that. Share why you're passionate about and don't back down. If somebody disagrees with you, respectfully disagree with them. It's absolutely fine to be strong and confident about your opinions and what you want to share. Now, the reason that this works so well is because your ideal clients are like boats, and they're looking for that anchor. They're looking for the lighthouse in the storm. They're looking for the person who is steady, who is saying that same thing over and over and over again, and who is strong and confident in what they say. And when they find you, they're like happy to listen to you and happy to follow you and happy to work with you. And they just want to absorb and soak up everything that you've got. So to build your personal brand, you want to make sure that you are being strong and confident in your opinions, and don't be afraid to share it. What are some ways that you've built your personal brand, or what are some other questions you have about building a personal brand? I would love to get the conversation started. You can leave your comments below. I actually recently did a video about the 6 mistakes that most coaches make, because not being able to get your personal brand in place is just one of those mistakes, but there's 5 other mistakes. If you'd like to watch the training, all you have to do is click the link in the description or go to latisha.tv/SIX. That will take you directly to the training. During this training, you will discover why you cannot afford to make less than 6 figures as a full-time coach, how to create a solid coaching program, and how to fill it with high quality clients. And when you complete this training, you will see exactly how my clients are able to book their own high quality clients, generate 10K in 10 days, and sometimes 95K over the course of a couple of months, as well as sell out their low ticket offers in a buying frenzy. Once again, in order to register for the training, just go to latisha.tv/SIX or click the link that's in the description box. In the meantime, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.